Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 on a 68 registered Ford Focus ST line. Now this is the fantastic 1.5 petrol engine, superb brake horsepower, mega fuel economy and a lovely car to drive. Very torquey engine, great gearbox. Yeah, one of those which you'd be happy with for miles and miles and miles. Now, the car's finished in the black metallic paint finish and that is in superb condition throughout. The car then sits on the 17-inch smoke alloy wheels, which are in super order. Now, they ride obviously on really great tyres. 17-inch wheels don't spoil the ride, although they are very nice in that titanium grey colour. ST line decals on the wings, just sets it out from the rest, and then this one's got the privacy glass as well. When it goes into detail in our workshop, we do remove the wheels, we wash them inside and out, we polish them, we then detail the disc and the caliper, so when you come and view it at Wigan, it is in as new condition. Each wheel is all in superb order to start with, so there's very minimal marks. You can tell that the last owner has really cared and cherished for this car. Looking down the sides, that being a black car, I can't see any sort of trolley dents marks that I should report. It is in lovely order. Privacy glass keeps the car nice and cool inside. I've drove the car, it's got lovely ice cold air conditioning on a day like today. But the ST car comes with a different front bumper, you get the side skirts, and then coming round to the rear, you get the rear diffuser and a twin tailpipe on there as well. But from every angle, very nice, manageable vehicle. Driver's side mirrors the passenger, and that is again free from any real trolley dent mark. But as you can see, the privacy glass in a black car does set off superbly well. Now this has got the signature lights, I hope you can see. 68 plate. Inside, Ford know how to do interiors. Arguably their materials are second to none. I like the graphite grey style detailing, electric windows ×4 electric door mirrors. You get the welcoming ST line aluminium sill, and then the driver's seat is very supportive. It's got the contrast red stitch on the checker flag style red and grey and black detail on the cloth. Steering wheel is multifunction, and that has also got the detailing in red. The car's done 33,097 miles to be exact, but comes fully loaded with automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, air conditioning, heated front windscreen for winter, satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone, everything's controlled on touchscreen up here. This then will BBC Radio 1. You can add a device. We've got mobile apps there where you can just stroke through. You've got your settings. This car has Apple CarPlay and also would have Android Auto, I'd suggest as well. DAB radio. Very easy car and screen to keep hold of, and it's got the Ford Sync voice control. Now the carbon effect runs throughout the top of the dash and then onto that door as well. The passenger seat is in as new condition. The car is really in superb order inside and out. As I say, you can tell that the last person has really cared for it. 6-speed manual transmission. I like the automatic handbrake. You can it comes on when you're in traffic. We've got a centre storage box as well with all your bits and bobs if you want, and your phone. A USB down there for your charging of your phone, as well as a 12 volt, and the cup holders there if you like a coffee on the way to work. So jumping out of the car, I have drove many of these now and I am impressed, and I'm sure you will be if you did decide to come and have a look at the vehicle. So let's just open it on the central locking button there, and then I'll take a look in the rear of the vehicle, because as you can see there straight away, there's lots of leg room and enough space for 3 adults in here, as well as having 2 Isofix bases if you do have younger children. But the inside of the vehicle, again in the rear, is in superb, highly maintained order. And then the boot, well, that is as good as any boot in its class. Remember, Ford are class leading with the Ford Focus, so arguably everybody copies off the Ford. We've got a spare wheel, the space saver, which is handy. A lot of new cars now just have an inflation kit. So all in all, a super car. To recap, we've got the book pack, we've got the locking wheel nut key, we've got 2 keys. So everything that was there when it was brand new is still here today. We'll prepare it to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit our showroom once here in Wigan. If you want to reserve it before you come, we'll prepare it so that when you do arrive, if it's the car for you, you can drive it away in the same day. If you want to give me a call, Graham, if you want to give us a call, speak to Dom or Lee, as well as myself, I lost for words there. We'll explain the sales procedure with you, but we can have this ready so you only come to Wigan once. So, have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting their new vehicles. They're doing exactly what you can do with ourselves. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price there and then. And if you'd like to apply for finance, you can do that on our advert on our website. Very simple, very easy. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.